Right, hello guys. Now we are doing something today. We have this old Carrera Vengeance and we have its wheel here. It's got a standard HG hub on it. Okay, now this hub originally on this bike was an 8-speed, so it had an 8-speed cassette on it. I had been running this 10-speed cassette on it, no problems at all, but can I upgrade it? Can I upgrade it to this monster? This 12-speed 52 tooth cassette from AliExpress. They claim it goes on an HG hub. They claim it will go on that. Let's find out. Right, okay, let's take this first section. It certainly looks good. Right, where's that small spline? There, right, let's marry it up to that. Okay, first bit on. Second bit, small spline at the top. On. Next section. On. Final set of teeth. On. It's looking promising, you know. Lock ring. Do you know what? I think it might work. Well, well, well. 12 speed. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 speed on a Shimano HG hub. It can be done. There you can see normal clearance at the edge of the axle there. Yeah. So, can be done.